here's a quick view from the student view on the Chromebook on how to post a Google Form assignment. So here's the assignment. It's been posted today at 10 a.m. I'm going to go to classwork. You'll see here, this is the title of the assignment, no due date. It's just for demonstration. So we know it's a Google Form. I'm going to go to Google Form. Here is a form that we're going to fill out. So I'm going to type my name. I'm not going to take time to read the questions. I'm just going to go through and click answers. When they get to the end and they submit, they'll be able to view their grade right away, so they can view score. And I got a 40 out of 100. So hopefully they try harder than that. So I'm going to close this window and I'm going to close this window. Now I'm going to go here. I'm still in the classwork tab. I'm going to go to view assignment. And you can see your work is turned in. There's no attached work. So the student knows that they have posted their assignment.